There is no secure. 2011. Somebody took it down. Morning, for watching. Bitcoin is very peaceful.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Real Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I'm going to do a video about a hardware wallet called SecuX. The SecuX V20, actually, to be exactly. I got it free, delivered to me, so I decided to do a review on this. I'm actually doing a little bit of an unboxing, actually. And maybe I'll do a complete review of the hardware wallet. But when I started to set up using it, I found that I couldn't end up using it on a daily basis because they didn't quite follow the BIP32 standard, because now I couldn't put in a passphrase with words. They do allow you to do passphrases, but it's only with numbers. And so that's a problem for me because my passphrase is words. So I can only it's not forwardly compatible from the BIP32 standard, so that is an issue. But it's probably the pin numbers works the other way. So for example, if I were to use one of these particular hardware wallets, and I create my passphrase, right? Passphrase is an additional password, so that you have a complete new wallet specified by that passphrase. And so it's a way to basically hide your wallet and hide your wallet inside the hardware wallet, so that no one, if somebody gets a hold of your hardware wallet and the passcode to get into the wallet, they still can't find it, because they need to also have the passphrase, which is separate as well. And so I use that to separate money from different assets and stuff like that. And so you can use one hardware key, right, and allow different people's in their business aspect to basically access different areas of money with your hardware, with a hardware wallet. So it's a very useful tool. And it's the way they've implemented it is just doesn't work for me. But other than that, it's a solid product, and we're going to be doing the unboxing right now. So check it out now. So we're going to open up this SecuX V20 cryptocurrency hardware wallet. It comes in this nice packaging, right? The security seal is here on the side here, so you know that it's actually been sealed. And it also comes with this XSeed Pro, but all it is like a rebranding of CryptoSteel. And since I've already done a video on this CryptoSteel, I believe, I'm going to put this to the side. And so we're going to just focus on this product here. So if we go to the back, right, you can see that featuring the world's most secure, easy to use hardware wallet, SecuX V20 puts you in charge of your digital assets with innovative technology. Okay, alrighty. So it comes with, let's see here, Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth 5, right? And a USB connection, USB-C connection, which is excellent. I like Bluetooth 5 because then the battery life lasts a lot longer. It's got a nice 2.8-inch color screen. It's the cross-platform capability, so that means it works with Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, iOS, and Android. So there is probably apps for this to connect to your phone, so that you could actually use this product, which is excellent thing to have, so that, you know, sometimes you don't have a computer with you, and you want to be able to send some currency, so you could do that with your phone. This thing also supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies and tokens, probably only the main actual cryptocurrencies. And while tokens are probably, ERC tokens are probably easy to, you know, once it supports ERC, you can support any particular cryptocurrency token. So even the DJ15 token can probably work on this particular product. So let's open up this bad boy and see how it looks. Right, we have an idea from the picture, but let's actually move this, open it up, and see. So I'm opening the packaging here. All right, and we have the secure seal. It's magnetically stuck to my hand, the packaging, but okay. And so you know that this has not been sealed, not been opened or tampered with. So I'm going to just use this knife instead to cut this open. And I'm going to cut it open on this side here too. There we go. And then I'm going to slide it open here. And to open it, ooh, look at that. Oof. It is a beauty, actually. I have to admit. It is pretty. Let's see, what else does come inside the box? Ooh, nice carrying case. Your USB-C, oh, look at that, with a side adapter. So it comes off to the side so it doesn't break off. And then there's also a security seal here on the USB connection, so you know that it's genuine. Let's take a look at these cards. Passphrase, oh, this is where you can put it in your no, this is your pin. See how to set up. So there's a QR code on how to set up and where you can write your pin and so forth. Recovery sheets. Yes, you have recovery sheets for your 24-word passphrase. Now you could always use this thing here, but you'll also have paper sheets. It's excellent. I like this. This little case, right, to carry with you wherever you go. Perfect. Okay, let's see if this thing turns on. If it has some battery life, then we can actually turn it on and see how it looks. So to turn it on, very durable. Looks like durable metal, but it feels plasticky though. But feels durable, right? And it's not all sealed together, so it's not going to be easy to take apart. And I don't think this, oh, there we go. It's coming on. Okay, there we go. Get started. Let's see, touchscreen, okay. Enter your PIN. Create your PIN. So I guess you create a PIN. Okay, let's see here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to create a nice secure one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next. Okay, you got a name of your device. So let me just quickly do that. DAV, oops. D-A-V. Next. So I'm going to create a new wallet. And with my 24 words, right? So it's going to give me my 24 words. And I'm supposed to write these down, but I'm not going to bother. But yeah, you go through this and probably going to ask me for the 24 words in the battery life. You can see the battery indicator at the top. It's going to ask me to probably enter them since I'm not going to write them down. Right now, I'm not going to go ahead and do that right this moment. So yeah, you can see how it's pretty much simple to set up. I might do a full video review of this when it's fully set up and I played with it coming later on. But this was my unboxing of the SecuX V20 cryptocurrency wallet. Hope you enjoyed.